Okay, let's just provide 1000 as PCC work in CFT. That's gonna give me the cement in CFT, which is 220, the cement bags, which is 176, the sand, and then the crushed stone and CFT. So what this Excel sheet does, actually it calculates various materials used in concrete work. So what you have to do is just to change the ratio and then the PCC work in CFT, okay, and then press enter. As you can see, it's very dynamic and pretty cool, okay. You can also make it, okay. Let's just make this spreadsheet, okay. You can do it by yourself, does not matter, okay. So I'm not going to delete this. However, I'll just draw a new one, okay. Let's just draw something like this. I'm going to give it a border which is actually thick, or you can say all borders, does not matter, okay. Here let's merge in center and I'm going to write ratio, okay. You're gonna do it by yourself, okay, just practice it. And then let's say I'm going to copy this so we have little bit time, okay. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's just provide these formulas, okay. So how can we add formulas? And let me just say if this is 1:2:4, okay. So we have some things. Let me make some adjustment, okay. That's it. Now PCC, you have to provide PCC. Like let's say this is just for example. The formula will be just added over here, okay. Just right here in these cells, okay, just over here. So cement in CFT, what you have to do just to type equal and then start a bracket so we can do the work very easy, okay. Now we will just click in this cell which is actually PCC work in CFT, and that is actually E8. Now we will multiply that with 1.54 because this PCC work is just wet, okay. This, you can say this is just a wet volume. We're going to convert that into dry, and remember we can convert that by multiplying the wet with a factor which is actually 1.54. Now what's 1.54? That's actually a factor, okay. We're gonna just have losses in the concrete volume by adding the water into dry materials, okay. That's actually 54%, okay, wastage you can say in the volume. So we're gonna add that in advance, okay. So let's just close the bracket and then let's divide this thing which is actually the dry volume by the sum of ratio, okay. So let's just do it. We have the sum of ratio which is actually 1, that one, and then plus and this ratio, and then the crushed stone ratio, and we will close the bracket and then press enter, okay. So this is what we have, cement in CFT. Now cement in bags, you can just type equal sign over there and then specify this cell which is actually F8, and we will divide that by the volume of one cement bag which is actually 1.25 CFT, okay, and then press enter. We have 176 bags. Now sands, okay, let's type equal sign, and then as you can see we have cement in CFT, and we will just multiply that with the ratio of sand which is actually this one, okay. Press enter. That's done. 440, okay. Now the last one which is crushed stone, so equal, and the cement is just this guy, and then we will multiply that with the ratio of crushed stone which is actually 4 times, okay. You can say 4 times of cement, okay, and then press enter. That's it. This is how we can do it, okay. You can make your own Excel sheet and just to calculate various materials and PCC work. See you in the next video.